Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a tool that can take your videos to the next level. HitPaw Video Enhancer. Whether you're looking to improve the quality of old grainy footage or make your videos crystal clear and cinematic, HitPaw has you covered. HitPaw Video Enhancer is packed with AI-powered features that make video enhancement super simple. From upscale resolution to sharpening and color correction, this software does the hard work for you. In just a few clicks, you can turn an average video into something truly stunning. Let's jump in. You can find the download link for this software below the video. First of all, download and install this software on your computer. After installing, open the software and you will see an interface like this. The first feature I'm going to share with you is called Video Enhancer. The Video Enhancer feature improves the quality of your videos by enhancing resolution, color, and clarity. It uses advanced algorithms to sharpen details, reduce noise, and make colors more vibrant, giving your videos a professional look. This feature is ideal for upgrading low-resolution videos or improving older footage. First, add your blurry video. After that, select the AI models to enhance the quality. These AI models are designed to analyze the video and automatically apply improvements such as sharpening, noise reduction, and enhancing colors, resulting in a much clearer and more vibrant video. Finally, click on the Export button. Wait here for a few seconds, and boom. Results are incredible. The video repair feature is designed to fix and restore damaged or corrupted videos. It uses advanced algorithms to identify and correct common issues like video freezes, glitches, pixelation, and audio synchronization problems. Let's see how it works. Simply select your video file, and that's it. With the video repair feature, you can easily restore your damaged or corrupted videos to their original quality. Whether it's fixing glitches, syncing audio, or repairing missing frames, this tool ensures your videos are as good as new, ready for you to enjoy or share without issues. The background remover feature is designed to help you easily remove or replace the background of any video or image. This tool is especially useful for creating professional-looking content, such as promotional videos, presentations, or social media posts where you want to eliminate distractions or add a custom background. You can preview your generated video and finally click on the Export button. That's very easy. With HitPaw Video Enhancer, you can effortlessly enhance your videos to a whole new level of clarity and quality. Whether you're looking to sharpen blurry footage, improve color vibrancy, or reduce noise, this tool offers advanced AI models to make your videos look more professional. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for beginners, while delivering powerful results. Say goodbye to low-quality videos and transform your footage into crisp, vibrant visuals. Try HitPaw Video Enhancer today and unlock the full potential of your videos, elevating them to a whole new standard of excellence. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video.